Video is to show you how to get started in WeVideo. What you're going to do is you're just going to simply log in using your district provided email. The password that we have set up for you is welcome, capital WELCOME, and you're going to log into WeVideo. Now, WeVideo is a totally online uh, program that allows you to edit videos at home, on the go, and it even has a mobile app that you can use to bring your photos from your phone into it as well. But we'll get to that at a later time. This is just a general overview as far as what we want you to do. The first thing that we want you to do is we're actually going to start a new project. And we're going to do that by selecting the top project tab here in the top line here, projects. You can see I've got quite a few going at the same time here, but really what you're going to do is you're going to go to the lower right hand corner. You're going to create a new project. We're going to title it whatever you want to title it. In this instance, we're calling this our let's use your name. Start. We'll call it how to, and whatever your topic may happen to be. Put a little description in here. This is how you whatever. At this point, you can click the tab, and initially we'll make this a personal project. If I tell you differently, we might use a collaborative if it were a group, or in some cases we'll have shared. But in this case here, we're going to go personal and click next. Now you probably won't see all this extra footage because this will be your first project. So just click next. You don't need all that footage that I have there. And at that point, you're just going to click create video. Now, like I said, you will not see all this extra footage in here. This is just because I'm recording with my account that I've used quite a bit. But you'll see kind of a blank space in here. Now, just a basic overview of WeVideo. Like I said, we've already used the projects tab. We've got a couple different tabs in here, but really, the buttons that you're going to concern yourself with are import, which is how we get footage from things that you've saved in your MS Tech Ed folder. We might give you the opportunity to do a little bit of screen recording, and that's actually what I'm doing right now. And narrate is kind of like our voiceover, and we kind of require some of the projects that we have require you to have a voiceover. So really, what you can do here, and this general overview is this is what's called your media bins, which is where all your stuff is stored. We have to the right here, this is your preview screen. And down at the bottom here is really the important part. This is what's called your timeline. Now, your timeline is where everything that you want to include in your actual video project is going to be dragged. And over here on the left-hand side, we have what are called layers. And as we build this project, the layers can be stacked upon and on top of one another so that they cover up the video in what's below it. We'll get into that a little bit more detail as time goes through here. So what we're going to do now is we will actually kind of get you into importing your video footage.